So here we are with sassinahair again. Remember, one of the bundles I colored it, installed it, beautiful hair, and it was in my tapered cut. So I'm going to show you how I put both of the bundles in. So started off by actually just co-washing it using the final amount of conditioner that came in the box color. Held it in for about a couple of minutes and then I rinsed the conditioner out. This is my hair now. It's actually time to wash it, but before I do that, I'm just going to take advantage of the time of putting these clip-ins in. So first thing I did was twist my hair and pin it up. So because I only had 2 bundles and I wanted the right fullness, you see I'm starting the first row of clip-ins just about 2 inches above my ear, my hairline. So it's really high. I started off really high. This actually controls the length because I did not want it to look long. Plus, again, I only had 2 bundles, so in order to make sure that I got the fullness that I wanted, I had to start up a little bit higher. It almost gave me that bob appearance, which that was totally fine. I clipped them in, making sure that I could fill in any areas that seemed sparse. And then when I got to the top of my head, I actually flipped them upside down. Some of them I would actually clip them downwards. So it would just be a variation of both up and down, I guess. And I did it more so in a circular motion in the top of my head. So I'm clipping them in a circular motion and playing with flipping them upside down and bringing them down, clipping them downwards. So here we are at the most tedious part of the process, was actually getting the roots more so than anything to fluff out and lift up. Even though my hair was twisted underneath, it gave some height in the crown of my head with the clip-ins clipped to just my hair that was only twisted. But I used pins to kind of make sure that certain areas of the tracks were not shown. And I just constantly kept playing through the hair, brushing it out, pulling it apart, and I did no cutting whatsoever. So just brushing it out and making it look less uniform and give me more volume as much as I possibly could. So that's it, guys. You can see everything is not exposed. I have no tracks exposed, no clips exposed, and it came out very nicely. Again, no cutting of the hair, just fluffing it and shaping it to my liking. I really like this style. Thumbs up if you liked it too, and I'll see you guys in the next video.